I'm Lisa Meekum with CreativeFashionBlog.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a suede faux leather business card holder. To complete this project, print out our PDF pattern, grab a scrap of faux leather or false suede, get some paper scissors, some fabric scissors, and a basic sewing kit. Start out by cutting out our PDF pattern. You can get this download at CreativeFashionBlog.com, or if you're watching it on YouTube, in the description below. Cut out one piece of the body of your business card holder and 2 pocket pieces. Lay your wallet out and then it's time to sew. Use about a 1/4 inch seam all the way around your pockets, and then you're done.